Hey, welcome to Fix It. Today I will show you how to brighten video in CapCut. Let's go. Brightening a video can make it more visually appealing and vibrant, especially if the original footage is too dark or lacks proper lighting. It's a simple process that can be done in just a few steps. First of all, open up the CapCut app for the purpose of this video. Let's start a new project. Select the video that you want to brighten using CapCut. Once you've imported the video to the editing timeline, tap on it and then swipe left on these different options at the bottom. Now tap Adjust, and now to brighten your video, tap Brightness. All you have to do next is move this slider to the right to brighten your video. You can lower the brightness by moving the slider to the left. You can also tap Exposure and move the slider to the right to increase the exposure levels and make the video brighter. If you want, you can adjust the contrast as well. You can adjust the highlights as well. Once you're happy with your video, tap the check mark at the bottom right to apply these changes to the video. Thanks for choosing Fix It again. Hopefully I fixed your problem today. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about the video.